So what a job is the container for inventory. It's what holds your actual pipe or tubing or whatever the case might be. Yeah. So to illustrate this point, we're going to go create a job. Now, there's a couple of different ways to create a job, but if this is the first time you're using the system or setting up your inventory, then what we recommend is receiving the inventory in to your yard from a master part. And we covered creating master parts in the last webinar, so we can certainly link you to that one. So our company is Archon Data, so we're going to ship some pipe into our yard. We use the Oklahoma yard in our system. And as you can see in the shipping and receiving screens, whenever you type in a yard, it'll auto-populate the information, so the email and all the contact information for that yard. And it'll be the same if you've created the companies and set up the locations in your system. Okay, so we're going to add an item. So like I said, if this is the first time you're using the system, you're going to be adding inventory from a master part since you don't already have your inventory in the system. So once you have your parts set up, you can filter down to the particular type of inventory you want to bring in. In this case, I'm going to bring in some 2 3/8 EUE J55. So I'm going to select that. And here's where you're going to enter the amount that you want to bring in. For example, let's say I have 3,100 feet and 10 joints. The system will automatically populate the average. Oh, sorry. 100. Yeah, there we go. That would be a really long pipe if we left it at that. So, okay, so the system will auto-populate the average. That's called bulk. We'll get into that here in a little bit. And I'm going to select a rack for this to go to. In this case, it's going to be rack A2 on in the Oklahoma pipe yard. I'll go ahead and mute that. Okay. All right, so once you click OK, it'll show up here on our inbound truck. And you can see it's created a job number. So this is what I'm talking about. Every time you create a job, it's to hold this inventory. So this particular batch of 100 joints, 3,100 feet of pipe, is on job 8281. Let me write that down. 8281. Okay, so that's all we're going to receive in this for now. So I'm just going to go ahead and hit complete, and it'll show up on my rack.